Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by acting now. Fill a bowl with warm water and add a drop of mild dish soap, then place your jewelry in for a brief soak. You do this because warm, soapy water loosens oils and grime without harming most metals. Once soaked for 3–5 minutes, lift items and use a soft toothbrush to gently scrub crevices. Make sure to work on one piece at a time so nothing is lost or damaged. After initial scrubbing, focus on detailed cleaning. You brush along settings and chain links to dislodge trapped debris, using small circular motions so you don't scratch the metal. You also run each piece briefly under lukewarm water to remove soap residue. Make sure to hold them over a sieve or bowl to prevent loss. Once rinsed, pat dry with a lint-free towel and let pieces air dry fully, because trapped moisture can cause tarnish or weaken glue in settings. Finish by polishing. You rub a jewelry polishing cloth in long strokes to restore shine, or use a paste of baking soda and water for tough spots, applying gently and rinsing thoroughly. Once done, inspect prongs and settings. Make sure stones are secure and there's no residue. If heavy tarnish, loosened stones, or plating wear appear, stop and consult a jeweler. Attempting aggressive fixes can worsen damage. One tip: if metal darkens after cleaning, dry and repolish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.